Today we're taking a look at this ventilated, cooled AC seats for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. It has a seat sensor, so this automatically turns on. It has got a bunch of fans embedded here with the setting where now you can even get massages while on the go. So this has a two mode. There's automatic mode and a manual mode. So when we go over here, this is right now in the automatic mode, which is the number 2. And what this does is as soon as you go close here and sit, you hear the fan going. So it is already cooling, feels really nice, and this cools both the back and the front here, and it has a sensor. So the minute you let go, the sensor turns off and you're not gonna get the airflow. So that's automatic. You sit down, you're always going to get the airflow. I typically leave those in the summertime with similar products in automatic so that I can just go sit down and I start getting the airflow. It is loud, so just keep that in mind. It's not going to be super quiet. It is going to be loud, and it is going to be definitely noticeable there. So that's what you get. You also have a manual mode where if you just twist this towards the manual setting, when you sit down, now you are not going to get it. So you are going to have to actively then toggle the switch here for the on and off. So with automatic or manual, you always have the option to put the fan into number 3, so which is loud. You can do less, and you can do 1, which is quieter. It's still noticeable, but quieter, and you're not gonna get as much airflow. So those are the settings that you can toggle as well. And then this is now the massage function. So as you hear there, it is going to be loud, right? But it does give you the massage if you want in the back. Yeah, this is rotating. I can feel it. It does give you that massage here, but that's your massage function, and you can turn it on or off, and that's about it. So as I said earlier, this is just literally like putting an apron here. So you just have to align this into its place, and then the top portion has a little hook here that you can either take it out or just really just dress it up to the seat here. So that's what you get on the top here. Then there is these wheels that you can actually insert from the bottom piece here. Make sure you take your power cord towards the driver or the passenger side, depending on which side seat cover the ventilation that you got. You slide that out of the way. Now there is this wheels here. What you do is just insert the wheel into this space, and that helps you keep this seat cover from moving out. As you see, it kind of provides that little bit of support. There's another one on this side, so you do the exact same thing here on this side as well. Just push it in and secure it into its place. Then now we just have the bottom piece left to do. For this bottom piece, there's hooks here. All you are gonna do is go underneath here and then feel there is going to be places where you can just hook this in. So you take this strap from here and then put it into any of those locations that you see so that it can stretch it out. And now when you look at it here on the top, this is all good to go. This is secure. Now we are ready to test it out. Now let's test the seat sensor here. It is on that automatic setting. So sit down, and as you can hear, the fan goes. I let go, the fan stops. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so moment of truth. The fan automatically started. Sitting down. Yeah, I can feel the cool air come through. It's not as loud as it would if my body wasn't blocking the noise, but you could hear it. And the fan is going, the vibration is going. Now I turn on the massage. Oh yeah, it's a vibrating type of massage, right? Like it's not a shiatsu or like something that kind of grabs on your back or anything. This is just vibration. So almost feels like your phone is vibrating on your pocket, but it's pretty nice actually. On a longer road trips, I think I can definitely use it. I thought the noise was gonna bother me, but it's not as bad as I thought. Still loud. If you have passengers in the car, they might complain. But the massage function is nice, and adjusting the airflow. I mean, if I do it in 1, it is fine. It's not as strong, but the noise is significantly reduced. But I think I would prefer the 3, especially in a hot day. Yeah, this feels nice. I really like it. It's a great concept, and it's not as uneasy as I thought it would be with all the fans in there, but you can definitely feel it. It's not that comfortable. The Napa leather that the Tesla seats have, it's not going to be as comfortable. This is still going to make you feel a little bit uncomfortable, but hey, there's always a trade-off, right? With this option, you get nice and cool ventilated, cool seats like on a Highland and Juniper, but you may have to sacrifice a little bit on the comfort side. Let's do some temperature measurement here. So we're getting 76 without the fan on, about 76 degree. Let me toggle the fan on now to full speed and see the cool air effect. So as you can see, that actually drops it. That is slowly dropping it. That's now at 71 instead of the 75. So it is already cooling the surface here. Let me see what this looks like. That's 73. So as you can see, this does have the cold air coming in, cooling the surface. Now this has been sitting here for a minute or so. It has dropped to now the 69s. This is 70s. So you can see that it does make a difference here. But the bigger difference is how much airflow that you get, and you're not going to be sweaty here. This feels really nice. So here's a quick test to show you the effect of this. So like right now, if I was to put this, it just falls down. But if I was to toggle this on, and if I put this here, as you can see, it actually sucks that piece there, showing you that the airflow is happening and is moving. And the minute I go and toggle this off, the paper drops. This product was sent to us free of charge by TesStudio to review in our channel. It shows 120. I'm going to show you how you can knock this price down. This is applicable for any of these Teslas, so Model 3, Model 3 Highland, or Model Y, and you can get blue, black, or brown option if you want to match this, single seat or double seat. And TesStudio has a lot of products that we have reviewed in the past if you wanted to check them out. If we go to add to cart here, we go right here and put a discount code SHIVA-TESLA, so Shiva Tesla, and you hit apply. This gives you $30 savings, so bringing the total to $90. I'll let you be the judge if this is worth it for you or not. This is an affiliate code. We earn a very small commission at no additional cost to you, which greatly helps us bring videos like this in the future. Thank you very much. Let's continue. So what do you all think about this ventilated cooling seats? I love the concept, the idea. We have shown you something similar in the past, but this one comes with a massage functionality, and this one actually does not affect the airbag deployment. That was one of the concerns that we had with the seat covers. There is a couple of plus sides. Obviously, you get the cool seats. There is no effect on airbag deployment. It kind of fits seamlessly in there. But on the downside, there is a little bit of a discomfort because the fans are just there on the back and the front. It also has a loud noise. So those are a couple of disadvantages there. But overall, I think this is a great product. I'm interested in knowing your feedback. Please let me know your thoughts, your likes, your dislikes, anything that you want to let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back again soon.